Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally do because I'm making some gifts in today's video and they are going to be paintings. I haven't made them yet. This video is going to be me trying for my first time, figuring it out. But I'm going to be doing paint pouring. I'm making one for Isabel for her 21st birthday, along with like a few other gifts. I'm really excited. I hope I don't mess it up because I've never done anything like this, but I think I have everything that I need. So I'm super happy that I watched a video on it again before I started because I had a feeling that I was forgetting something, and I was. I don't have any silicone and I need to go get some. So I am going to Michael's. I have my face mask. We're gonna get some silicone and I need to mail these birthday cards really quick as well. So we're gonna do that. So like I just said in the last clip, I look naked. I'm super happy that I watched a video because I was missing some ingredients. I was missing silicone oil. I already had white paint, but I got another one. And then pouring medium to make it easier to pour and not so like thick. The lady was like, you're probably gonna mess up your first one. Well, lady, I hope you're wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys into a time lapse. I'm gonna turn on some music, try and stay hydrated because it's really hot today. And I'm just gonna do absolutely everything for you guys here and in a time lapse, and I'm gonna show it all to you. So, let's get into it. I thought I was recording that whole time and I wasn't, but I haven't really done much. I've just been like blowing on this, trying to get the pink to come down more because I don't know if I already said this, but I like how it's all marbleized looking up here, and then like down here it's like, I don't like how there's just like a strip of white. So I'm trying to cover that by blowing on the paint. I think that looks a lot better. Maybe I can like, okay, so now I think I want to try and make one for my mom, but that one is a big canvas, so I know it's gonna need a lot of paint, like a lot. So I'm just gonna leave this here in this spot literally to dry. I'm just gonna get everything set up for my mom's painting really quick. I'm not gonna show you guys all that again, and I'll come back when I'm ready and I'll see you guys then. So I got paint on my fave leggings. I think you have to do it while the paint is still mostly wet, even though, oh god, oh god. Okay, sorry, I don't do bugs, and that was a hornet, which is a wasp, if you don't know what that is. I also got paint in my hair. Okay, so this is like a lot messier than you think it's going to be. I mean, obviously, but I just thought I didn't get paint on my pants until the very, very end. So honestly, I'm pretty proud for that. Okay, so here's the one that I made for Isabel. I hope she likes it. I think it looks pretty dope. And then here's the one that I made for my mom. All of this, I just like blue on it right now, so that's why. Because it had so much white, I didn't really like all the white. Like all of that was white, and I was like, it doesn't really fit. But let me get out of your light. Oops, shine from this angle. I hope she likes it, and I hope Isabel likes hers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have paint all over me. I tried to just, you know, it was hot outside and I really wanted to wear a tube top, but now I'm gonna take this tube top off and I'm gonna be scrubbing. Same with my leggings because I got some paint on them. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do plan on doing another painting video, kind of with like still pouring, but a different style of like spreading the paint. I'll probably try that in like a week or something. We'll see. If you guys want to see more, let me know. If you guys are interested in a more in-depth, like step-by-step walking you through, I can do that too. Or if you are interested in me making it and you want me to do it in specific colors, let me know and I will go ahead and do that for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.